Dear students, welcome to the video class of the chapter integration. Okay, and this is the integration of the substitution method. Now let's do Brahmana. Om, Om, Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Dear students, in previous class we discussed how to find integration or integral of the function using substitution method and many more formula and the applications of the substitution. These are discussed in previous class. Today we are going to discuss some more problems related to integration by substitution method. Okay, so let's see the problems. So first question number one. Question number one is what? Solution of question number one. So solution of question number one. What is the question one here? e to the x sec e to the x into what? Tan e to the x dx. So what is here? What term? Which term we have to substitute? So let's see here. What is derivative of e to the x? Derivative of e to the x is e to the x. Suppose we put e to the x is equal to t, then e to the x is equal to what? Dt by dx, and ex ds equal to dt. So it is present. If f of x equal to e to the x, then f dash x equal to e to the x ds. So here right here, that is sec e to the x tan e to the x e to the x into dx. Okay, so put e to the x is equal to t, e to the x ds is equal to what? Dt. How it is obtained? Differentiate both sides with respect to x. This is equal to what? E to the x dt by dx. So we can directly dt by dx. So we can directly written here e to the x dx is equal to what? Dt. So the integral will be what? Sec in e to the t and sec t here, e to the x is equal to t. So tan t and e to the x ds is equal to what? Dt. So what is integration of sec t into tan t? That is sec t plus c. What is t here? E to the x. So sec e to the x plus c is your answer. Okay. Now another question. That is question number 2. What is question number 2 here? That is question number 2 is. This is answer of question number 1. Okay. Now question number 2. What is question number 2 here? This is question number 2. X square cos x cube into dx. How it is substitute? Derivative of x cube is equal to 3x square. X square term present. So put here x cube equal to t. Okay. How it is substitute? We choose the function such that its derivative exists there. Okay. So here what is the function? That is x cube, and its derivative is what? 3x square. Okay. X square term present, so we can take x cube equal to t. So put x cube equal to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So this is 3x square dx is equal to dt. Now that is equal to what? X square dx is equal to dt by 3. So we can write the above integral cos x cube into x square dx. So this is x square is x cube equal to t, and x square dx is equal to what? X square dx is equal to what? dx square ds equal dt by 3. So this is equal to what? Cos t, and this is dt by 3. So 1 by 3 constant, integration of cos t dt is equal to 1 by 3. What is integration of cos t? What is integration of cos t? So integration of cos t is equal to sin t. Integration of cos t equal to sin t plus c. What is equal to? That is 1 by 3. Sin t means what? Here t is equal to x cube. So put the t is equal to x cube. So 1/3 sin x cube plus c. This is answer of question number 2. Okay. Now question number 3. What is question number 3? The solution of question number 3. X cube. Sorry, this is what is question number 3 here. Cos x square x divided by 1 plus cot x into dx. What is derivative of cot x? 1 plus cot x. Derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of cot x is equal to minus cos square x. So cos square x term present. So this is 1 plus cot x equal to t. Put 1 plus cot x is equal to t. Put 1 plus cot x is equal to t. Differentiate. So derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of cot x minus cos square x dt by dx. So cos x square x dx is equal to minus dt. So this is equal to here minus, take common out, and this is dt by t. So this is equal to minus log t plus c. That is equal to what? Minus log t means what? 1 plus cot x. 1 plus cot x plus c. This is answer of question number 3. Now question number 4. What is question number 4? This is question number 4. Integration of cos x divided by sin 50x dx. What is derivative of sin x? So derivative of sin x is cos x. So put sin x is equal to t. Put sin x is equal to t. So this is equal to cos x dx is equal to dt. So this will be what? Cos x dx. Cos x dx is equal to dt. Cos x ds is equal to dt. So dt by t to the power 5. This is equal to t to the power minus 5 dt. So this is equal to t to the minus 4 by minus 4 plus c. This is equal to minus 1 by 4 and t to the 4 plus c. This is equal to minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. T means what? T means sin x. So sin 4th x. This is minus symbol present. Minus 1 by 4 sin 4th x plus c. This is answer of question number 4. Now question number 5. Now question number 5. Its solution is what? Solution of question number 5. So a to the power a to the power a to the x, a to the power a to the x, a to the x dx. This is the question. So put this term is t. Put a to the power x is equal to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So this is equal to what? Suppose consider this is x. So derivative of a to x is formula. This is equal to a to the power a to the x into log a. Again d by ds of what? D by ds of a to x. Okay, is equal to dt by dx. So this is equal to a to the power a to the x log a. Now consider this is x. What is derivative of a to the x? A to the x means a to the x log a into derivative of a to the x. A to the x log a is equal to dt by dx. Now a to the power a to the power a to the x a to the power a to the x a to the x into log a whole q is equal to dx by dt by dx. So that implies what? A to the power x a to the power x a to the x dx is equal to dt by log a whole cube. So एतिक बदल रे कोन है dt by log 3. So integration dt by log 3. So 1 by log 3 constant integration dt 1 by log 3 whole cube log 3 whole sorry log a whole cube 1 by log a whole cube log a whole cube 1 by log a whole cube into what? T plus c. So this is equal to t means what? A to the power x by log a whole cube plus c. It is easy to remember. A to the power a to the x. Here there are three s a. So answer is what? First term divided by log a to the power number of a. Similarly, what is this? Similarly, what is integration of? Suppose there are a 4s, then power x, a 3x, then power x, a 2s, then power x, a to the x dx is equal to this. This is one more question. So here number of a's is equal to what? First term 1, 2, 3, 4 a's power x a to the x by log a to the power 4 plus c. This is answer for one more question. A to the power x. Suppose what is integration of? Suppose ex ds. So number of e is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, and this is equal to what? First term e to the power e to the x by log e to the whole cube plus c. What is value of log e? Value of log e is equal to 1. So answer is e to the x 1 cube means 1 plus c. This is answer. Okay, this is question number 5 and related questions. Now question number what? Question number 6. Then question number 6. Solution of question number 6. Integration of cos square log x by x dx. What is derivative of log x? 1 by x present, so log x equal to t. Because derivative of log x equal to 1 by x, here 1 by x present, so put log x is equal to t. Derivative 1 by x dx is equal to dt by dx thila dt. So this is equal to what? Integration cos x square t dx by dt dx by x is equal to what? Dx by x equal to dt. So integration of cos square is t means cot t plus c minus cot t plus c. Cos square t derivative integration minus cot t plus c. So this is equal to minus cot t means what? T means log x plus c. This is answer of question number 6. Then question number 7. Now question number 7 is what? Question number 7, integration of root over 1 minus sin x cos x. So what is derivative of 1 here? 0. Derivative of sin x means what? Derivative of sin means x means cos x. So cos x dx. Put 1 minus sin x is equal to t. Derivative of 1 0. Derivative of sin x means cos x. This is dt by dx. So cos x dx is equal to minus dt. So root over t and to cos x ds is equal to minus dt. So minus common, root of t means t to the power 1 by 2 dt. So this is equal to minus t to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So this is equal to what? Minus t to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. So this is equal to minus 2 by 3. T means what? T means 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. This is answer of question number 6. Okay. Now solution of question number 8. Solution of question number 8. What is question number 8? This is x square plus 1 divided by x cube plus 3x plus 7 whole cube dx. What is derivative of x cube? 3x square plus 3. So take common 3, that is x square plus 1 terms occur. So put x cube plus 3x plus 7 is equal to t. Differentiate. So this is 3x square, this is 3x. So derivative of 3x means 3 is equal to dt by dx. Take 3 common, 3 into x square plus 1 dt is equal to dx. Dx is equal to dt. So x square plus 1 dx is equal to dt by 3. So this is equal to integration dt by 3 means 1 by 3 dt divided by t cube. So 1 by 3 integration t minus 3 dt. So 1 by 3 t to the minus 2 by minus 2 plus c. Count by minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 divided by minus 2. So this is equal to what? This is what is t here? This is equal to 1 by 3. T means what? X cube plus 3x plus 7 whole to the power. This is equal to what? Minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 6. This is minus 1 by 6 into what? T square plus c. So it will be minus 1 by 6. Minus 1 by 6, and this is equal to what? This is equal to what? This is equal to, answer is minus 1 by 6 into 1 by x cube plus 3x plus 7 whole square plus c. Again repeat the question. What is the derivative of x square? X cube 3x square, this is 3. So take common 3, x square plus 1 present. So take this term is equal to t. Now 1 by 3 dt by 3. So 1 by 3 t to the power minus 3 and 1 by 3 to the power minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 divided by minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. So this is equal to minus 1 by 6 and t to the minus 1 is equal to what? T to the minus 2 means 1 by t square. So 1 by t square plus c. This is question number, the answer of question number 8. Now question number 9. Now question number 9. Solution of question number 9. This is equal to x4 minus 3a square plus 1 to the power 4. This is 2x cube minus 3x into dx. Clear? So what is derivative of this? Derivative of this is equal to 4x cube and this is equal to 3x. So take common 2. So this term will be t. Put x4 minus 3a square plus 1 is equal to t. And differentiate what? This will be 4x cube minus 6x is equal to dt by dx. So 2 common, that is equal to 2x cube minus 3x dx is equal to dt. Now 2x cube minus 3x dx is equal to dt by 2. So this will be what? T to the power 4 into this term is what? Dt by 2. T to the power 4 dt by 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 constant, t to the power 5 by 5 plus c, that is equal to 1 by 10 t to the power 5. T means what? T means x fourth minus 3x squared, x fourth minus 3x squared minus 3x squared plus 1 whole to the power 5 whole to the 5. This is okay, this is 1 by 2 into 1 by 5, that is 1 by 10. T means what? X fourth minus 3x square plus 1 power 5 is power 5 plus c. This is answer. Answer of question number 9. Now answer of question number 10. Now answer of question number 10. Question number 10 is integration of e to the power 2 tan x into sec square x dx. What is the derivative? What is function and what is derivative? We know derivative of tan x is equal to sec square x. So put tan x is equal to 2 tan x is equal to t. So 2 into sec square x. This is dx. This is dt by dx. So sec square x dx is equal to dt by 2. So dt by 2, this is e to the power t, and sec square x dx is equal to dt by 2 constant agonally. So what is here? 1 by 2 e to the power t plus c. What is e to the power t? T means what? This is equal to minus 1 by 2 e to the power t. T means what? 2 tan x plus c. This is answer of question number 10. Now question number 11. Now question number 11 and question solution of question number 11. So integration e to the x by e to the x minus 2 whole square dx. What is derivative of e to the x minus 2? Derivative of e to the x minus 2 is equal to e to the x ds na. So put e to the x minus 2 is equal to t. E to the x dx is equal to what? dt. So this is dt. This is dt. Okay. So dt by t square, that is equal to t to the power minus 2 dt. So this is equal to t to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So this is equal to t to the power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. So this is equal to minus 1 by t plus c. What is minus 1 by t? That is 1 minus 1 by t means what? E to the power x. T means what? E to the power x minus 2 plus constant. Now this is answer of question number 11. Now question number, answer of question number, that is solution of question number 12. So what is question number 12 here? Integration of e to the power cos square x sin 2x dx. So what is derivative of cos square 2x? Derivative of cos square 2x is equal to minus sin 2x. So put cos square x is equal to t. This is equal to 2 cos x into minus sin x and dt by dx. So this is equal to minus sin 2x dx is equal to dt. So sin x sin 2x dx is equal to minus dt. So this will be what? This will be integration minus sign present here minus e to the t, and this is minus dt. So minus take common here, e to the t dt. So this is equal to minus e to the t plus c, and this is equal to minus e to the t. Minus e to the t means what? Cos square x plus c. This is answer of question number 12. Now question number 13. Now question number 13. Answer of question number 13. Answer of question number 13. Integration sin inverse x divided by root over 1 minus x square dx. What is derivative of sin inverse x? Derivative of sin inverse x is equal to 1 by root over 1 minus x square. So put sin inverse x is equal to t. 1 by root over 1 minus x square dx is equal to dt. So this will be dt and this is t. So it is an t dt, that is equal to t square by 2 plus c. What is t here? Sin inverse x. Sin inverse x whole square by 2 plus c. This is answer of question number 13. Now answer. What is the answer of question number 14? Answer of question number 14. Now solution of question number 14. Solution of question number 14. This is equal to integration sec inverse x whole square divided by x into root over x square minus 1 dx. So what is derivative of sec inverse x? Derivative of sec inverse x is equal to 1 by x into root over x square minus 1. So put sec inverse x is equal to t. Sec inverse x is equal to t. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. So this is equal to what? 1 by x into root over x square minus 1 dx is equal to dt. So this is equal to t square and this is equal to dt. So t square dt by d square dt, that is equal to t cube by 3 plus c. T cube is equal to what? T means what? Sec inverse x. Sec inverse x q divided by 3 plus c. This is answer of question number 14. Now question number 15 is. Solution of question number 15. Solution of question number 15. This is integration of dx by x into 1 plus log x whole square. What is derivative of log x? Derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. So 1 by x present here. So put log x equal to t. Put log x is equal to t and differentiate both sides with respect to x. That is equal to 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Dx by x is equal to what? Here dx by x is equal to dt. So dt by 1 plus log t. Log t means what? T square. What is dt by 1 plus t square? That is equal to tan inverse t plus c. What is that is equal to tan inverse t means what? Log x plus c. This is answer of question number 15. Now another questions. Now another 5 questions. These are NCERT book questions. So question number 16. Solution of question number 16. Solution of question number 16. E to the x 1 plus x divided by cos square x into e. Here derivative of x into e is equal to what? This is x e to x. Sorry, this is e to x. What is the derivative of x? This is it. Put here. Put x into x is equal to t and differentiate both sides with respect to x. E to x derivative of x1 plus x into e to x. This is equal to dt by dx. So e to x take common 1 plus x present here. So ds is equal to dt. So this is dt by and this is cos square t. Cos square t dt by 1 by cos square t means what? Sec square t dt and this is equal to tan t plus c. What is tan t? So z square addition 10. So tan t means what? X equal to x plus c. This is answer of question number 20. Now question number answer of question number 16. Now answer of question number 17. X cube or right here sin of tan inverse x4 into x cube divided by 1 plus x to the 8 dx. What is derivative of tan fourth x? Tan inverse x fourth 1 by 1 plus x to the power 8 into 3 4x cube. So put tan 4 inverse x fourth is equal to t and differentiate. So this is equal to what? Differentiate and we will get here this is equal to 1 by 1 plus x fourth whole square means x to 8 into derivative of x fourth, that is 4x cube dx is equal to dt. So x cube by 1 plus x to 8 dx is equal to dt by 4. This is dt by 4. This is dt by 4. Okay. So this is integration sin t dt by 4 means 1 by 4 outside. So minus 1 by 4 integration of sin t, that is minus cos t plus c, that is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 4. Cos t means what? Cos t. T means tan inverse x fourth. Tan inverse x fourth plus c. This is answer. Okay, minus 1 by 4 cos t means what? Tan inverse x fourth. This is answer of question number 17. So question number 17 here. Work it out 9. Question number 18. Now question number 18 is equal to what? Question number 18. Solution of question number 18. Here integration of 1 by e to the x ds. These are the problems of NCERT book. So balance this. So this is equal to what? E to the x plus 1 minus 1. This is not here. E to the x plus 1. That is 1 plus 1 plus e to the x minus e to the x divided by e to the x ds. And separate this 1 plus e to the x by 1 plus e to the x dx. E to the x divided by e to the 1 plus e to the x ds. So this goes cancel. Integration dx, and this is equal to what? This is integration dx e to the x by 1 plus e to the x dx. So this is equal to what? This is equal to e to the x dx means what? Dx means x. Put here. Put e to the x is equal to e to the x is equal to t. E to the x ds is equal to dt. So it is dx means x integration dt by 1 plus t, that is x minus what is integration of 1 by ax plus b dx. What is integration? This is equal to what? 1 by a into log ax plus b plus c. This is the formula. So what is here? X t coefficient dt by dt coefficient 1. So this is 1 by t 1 by t formula. So log 1 plus t plus c, that is equal to x log 1 plus t means what? T means what? T is equal to e to the x. T is equal to e to the x. So 1 plus this is equal to, suppose you write here e to the x plus, this is ag also, e to the x, this is 1 plus e to the x is equal to t, this will be ag, e to the x ds is equal to what? Dt. So dt by here t. Okay, dt by t means what? Dt by t. T means what? 1 plus e to the x plus c. This is answer of question number 18. Now question number 19. Now question number 19. Solution of question number 19. This is e to the x minus 1 divided by e to the x plus 1 dx. We have to adjust like this, e to the x term and constant term. So this is equal to what? This is equal to e to the x means what? 2 e to the x minus e to the x plus 1 divided by e to the x plus 1. This is adjust like this. Okay, this is done because we have to cancel the term e to the x plus 1. So this will be what? Integration 2 e to the x minus common here, e to the x minus, and this is e to the x minus 1. Okay, this is minus 1. So e to the x plus 1 divided by e to the x plus 1 dx. Then separate two constant, take common, e to the x by e to the x plus 1 dx minus e to the x plus 1 divided by e to the x plus 1 minus e to the x plus 1 divided by e to the x plus 1 dx. So this cancel. So this is equal to what? Derivative of e to the x plus 1. Derivative of e to the x plus 1 is equal to e to the x. This is formula. This is put e to the x plus 1 is equal to t. So e to the x ds is equal to what? dt. So 2 into dt by t minus dx. So this is equal to 2 log t minus x plus c. This is equal to log t means what? Log t is equal to log e to the x plus 1 minus x plus c. We can also apply the formula from this step. F dash x by fx, log fx formula. So from this we can directly from this step we can also directly with e to the x by e to the 1 plus x ds is equal to what? Log of 1 plus x plus c. Because this is f of x, f dash x. This is f of x, f dash x by fx is equal to log fx. So you can put direct the formula, that is 2 into direct this step. You may or may not do this step because this is f of x and this is f dash x. Derivative of this formula, integration f dash x by f of x dx is equal to log fx. This is very important formula. Okay. Now question number, this is solution of what? Solution of question number 19. This is solution of question number 19. Now solution of question number 20. Now solution of question number 20. Solution of question number 20. 1 by e to the x plus e to the minus x dx. So this can be written as what? This can be written as, this is equal to what? 1 by e to the x plus 1 by e to the x dx. Okay. So this is equal to what? This is equal to what? E to the x by, this is 1 by e to the x whole square plus 1 by 4 divided by e to the x. So dx. This is equal to what? This is equal to integration e to the x by e to the x whole square plus 1 dx. Put e to the x is equal to t, e to the x ds is equal to dt. So dt by 1 plus t square plus 1. This is equal to tan inverse t plus c formula. So tan inverse t means what? T means e to the x plus c. This is answer of question number 20. Okay. Now another questions, that is question number 21. Solution of question number 21. So integration of x plus 1 log x square plus 2x plus 2 divided by x square plus 2x plus 2 dx. Log x derivative is 1 by x. So log of this means log of x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to t. differentiate. So 1 by x square plus 2x plus 2 into derivative of this bracket term 2x plus 2 this is dt by dx. Take 2 common, so this is equal to what? 2 into x plus 1 divided by x square plus 2x plus 2 dx is equal to dt. That implies x plus 1 dx by x square plus x plus 2 is equal to dt by 2. So this is dt by 2 and this term is what? This term is what? This term is dt by 2. So integration log t, this is dt by 2. So 1 by 2 log t is equal to what? This is t. This is t. So integration of dt, t dt, that is equal to 1 by 2 t square by 2 plus c. So 1 by 4 t square means what? Log x square plus x plus 2 whole square plus c. Okay, this is answer of question number 21. Now question number 22. Now question number 22. Now question number 22. This is solution of 22. Okay. So integration of sin x by sin x plus alpha dx. It is single variable. So put x plus alpha equal to t, dx is equal to dt, and x is equal to what? X is equal to t minus alpha. So sin t minus alpha divided by sin t dt. So this is equal to sin t into cos alpha minus cos t into sin alpha divided by sin t divided by sin t whole bracket dt integration. Sin t cancel, so this is cos alpha dt and this is sin alpha constant and cos by sin, this is cot t dt. So this is equal to sin cos alpha dt integration t minus sin alpha derivative of cos integration of cot t. Integration of cot t. What is integration of cot t? Integration of cot t, that is log sin t. Okay, this is log sin t. What is integration of cot t? What is integration of cot t? That is integration of cot t. What is the formula? This is integration of cot t. That is log sin t plus c. What is this? Is cos alpha. Cos alpha. What is t? T means x plus alpha minus sin alpha into log of sin t means x plus alpha plus c. So this is equal to what? This is equal to x cos alpha plus alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha log of sin x plus alpha plus c. This term, this is constant. Cos alpha is constant plus c is constant. So this is equal to x cos alpha minus sin alpha into log of sin of x plus alpha plus c plus alpha cos alpha. Constant plus constant, another constant suppose k. This is answer. Now question number 2. Okay. Now question number 22. Now question number 23. Now question number 23. Question number 22 over. Question solution of question number 23. 23. Sin x divided by cos x minus alpha dx. Put cos, that is x minus alpha equal to t, dx is equal to dt, x is equal to what? T plus alpha. So sin t plus alpha by cos t dt. So this is equal to sin t cos alpha cos t sin alpha divided by cos t divided by cos t whole bracket integration dt. So cos alpha constant, integration what? Sin 10t, integration 10t dt minus cos t cancel. So this is plus sin alpha integration dt. Okay. Now integration of 10t log sec t. So log cos of alpha into log sec t plus sin alpha into dt. Sin alpha integration of dt t plus c. This is equal to cos alpha into log sec alpha means what? Alpha means sec t here. Sec t. T means what? T means x minus alpha. Log of x, log of sec x minus alpha plus sin alpha t into t. T means what? X minus alpha plus c. This will be answer, or we can do in one step. Okay. Now this is question number, solution of question number 23. Now question number 24. Question number 24. Question number 24. What is question number 24? 24. This is 10x minus plus 10 alpha divided by 10x minus 10 alpha dx. So transfer sin cos into sin by cos x plus sin alpha by cos alpha divided by sin x by cos x minus sin alpha by cos alpha dx. So taking LCM cos x cos alpha. So cos x cos alpha can constant. Both LCM 80 and LCM cancel. Sin x into cos alpha, cos x into sin alpha divided by sin x into cos alpha minus cos x into sin alpha dx. So this is equal to what? Sin of x plus alpha divided by sin of x minus alpha dx. Put x minus alpha equal to t. Put sin x minus alpha equal to t. So ds equal to dt and x is equal to what? T plus alpha. So this is sin t plus alpha. Sin t plus 2 alpha divided by sin t dt. So this is equal to sin t cos 2 alpha plus cos t sin 2 alpha divided by sin t, and this is divided by sin t. So integration dt. So sin t cancel, and this is what? Sin 2 alpha constant. This will be cos 2 alpha dt plus sin 2 alpha constant into cot t dt. So this is equal to cos 2 alpha integration t plus sin 2 alpha. This is log sin t plus c. So this is cos 2 alpha. What is t? T means what? X minus alpha plus sin 2 alpha log of sin x minus alpha plus c. This is your answer. This is question number 24. Solution of question number 24. Question number 25. Solution of question number 25. Solution of question number 25. So dx by cos x minus alpha into cos x minus beta. Either cos or sin. We have to adjust this like 1 by sin alpha minus beta integration sin alpha minus beta by cos x minus alpha into cos x minus beta. Now we have to x minus alpha, this is alpha minus beta can be written, the alpha minus beta can be written as x minus alpha, or we can write here x minus beta minus x minus alpha. Clear? This is minus x plus x minus x cancel, and this is alpha minus beta. Adjust like this. So alpha minus beta, this can be adjusted as 1 by sin alpha minus beta into what? Sin of x minus beta minus of x minus alpha. Eta x minus alpha minus beta which minus x plus x cancel, minus beta plus alpha or alpha minus beta, divide by cos of x minus alpha into cos of x minus beta dx. Sin of a minus b formula. This is sin of a minus b formula. So this is equal to 1 by sin alpha minus beta. This is sin a minus b formula. So sin a minus b, sin a means sin x minus beta into cos b means cos x minus alpha minus cos sin a cos b minus cos a cos x minus beta into cos a into sin b. Sin b means sin x minus alpha. So divide by what? This is x minus alpha. So divide by cos x minus alpha into cos x minus beta divide by cos x minus alpha into cos x minus beta whole dx. So what will be cancelled here? Cos x minus alpha cancelled here, and what is here? Here cos x minus beta cancelled. So what is remain here? That is 1 by sin x alpha minus beta integration sin beta by x minus beta, that is sin by cos means 10 x minus beta minus 10 x minus alpha. So this is equal to what? What is the integration of 10 x minus beta? That is 1 by sin alpha minus beta. What is integration of sin x? 10x plus b. 1 by a means x coefficient 1. So log, what is integration of 10x? Log x sec x. So this is equal to what? Log sec x minus beta minus log sec x minus alpha plus c. So this is equal to what? 1 by sin alpha minus beta into log of sec x minus beta by sec x minus alpha plus c. This is answer. This is answer of question number 25. Now answer of question number 26. Now answer of question number 26. Same process. Then 8 of 27. Question number 26. Either sine or cos. This is equal to 8 dx by sin x minus alpha into sin x minus beta. Same process. 1 by sin alpha minus beta sin alpha minus beta divide by sin x minus alpha into sin x minus beta. Same process and proceed as question number 25. Proceed at question number 25. Okay, same process. Now question number 27. Now question number 20. This is hint of the 26. Question number 26. Now question number 27. Now question number, this is hint. You have to answer. So question number 27. Question number 27. That is equal to what? Dx by, this is also hint. This is also hint. Hint of question number 27. Sin x minus alpha into cos x minus beta. If sin sin present, then the process is 1 by sin alpha minus beta. Sin alpha minus beta, multiply, divide and multiply. So if there is one sin, one cos, then it will be 1 cos alpha, 1 by cos alpha minus beta, divide by what? Divide by cos alpha minus beta by sin x minus alpha into cos x minus beta. This is also hint of the question number 27. 1 by cos alpha minus beta, and this is what? Cos of beta minus x minus alpha, and this is equal to sin x minus alpha into cos x minus beta. Apply. This is, I will do this. Okay. So this is equal to what? This is equal to formula cos a minus b. So 1 by cos alpha minus beta. This is cos a minus cos b. Cos a means beta, x minus beta. Sorry, this is x minus beta, not beta minus x. This is x minus beta. So cos x minus beta into cos x minus alpha plus sin x beta, x minus beta into sin x minus alpha, divide by sin x minus alpha into cos x minus beta. Same thing, divide here, sin x minus alpha into cos x minus beta whole dx. So this is equal to what? 1 by cos alpha minus beta. This is cos x minus beta, cancel cos x minus beta. This is cot x minus alpha, and this is cos sin x minus alpha sin, plus what? This is cos by sin, this is sin by cos. So this is 10 x minus beta dx, and this is what? 1 by cos alpha minus beta, and this is integration log sin x minus alpha plus what? Log sec x minus beta plus c. So this is equal to what? 1 by cos alpha minus beta into log sin of x minus alpha into sec of x minus beta. Okay, so this is, or this plus c, or we can write 1 by cos alpha minus beta log of sin x minus alpha by cos x minus beta plus c. This is the answer of question number 27. Okay, this is the answer of question number 27. Now some more questions we will do. Now another 3 questions. So solution of question number 28. So 1 by 1 plus cot x dx. So 1 by 1 plus cot x. 1 plus cot means cos x by sin x dx. That is equal to cos x by, that is equal to 1 by sin x plus cos x divided by cos x. Okay, divided by cos x ds. So cos comes to this position. So this is equal to what? Cos x divided by sin x plus cos x dx. Now adjust this such that one term will be cancelled and one term will be the derivative. So this is equal to what? Cos x present here. So cos x plus, this is cos x plus sin x plus cos x minus sin x. So plus cos minus sin cancel 2 cos x. So 1 by 2. Or only this is 2 cos x by 2 means cos x. And divide by what? Sin x plus cos x dx. So part make part 1 by 2. And this is cos x by sin x 1 dx plus 1 by 2. And this is cos x minus sin x divided by sin x plus cos x into dx. So this is equal to 1 by 2 dx means x. We know the formula. What is formula? F dash x by f of x ds is equal to log fx plus c. So sin or derivative cos or derivative minus sin. So sin or derivative cos or derivative minus sin. So here f dash x by fx. So 1 by 2 into log sin x plus cos x plus c. This is answer of question number 28. Now question number 29. Now question number 29. Question number 29. Answer solution. So dx by x square. This can be written as x fourth into what? X fourth plus 1 to the power 3 by 2 dx. So dx by, this is x square, x fourth common, this is 1 by x fourth whole to the power 3 by 2. This is equal to what? This is equal to dx by x square and x fourth to the power 3 by 2, and this is 1 by x fourth to the power 3 by 2 dx. So the answer is what? X to the power here 2. Okay, this is x square into power is x fourth means what? X fourth to the power 3 by 2, and this is what? This is 3 by 2 means what? This will be x fourth, that is 3 by 4 power each. So make the question is the question will be, that is 3 by 4 power. Okay, make correction it 3 by 4. The question will be power 3 by 4. So this is power 3 by 4. So this is equal to what? Cancel here. That is equal to, this is 4 cancel. Integration 1 by x to the power 5, 1 plus 1 by x4 to the power x4 to the power, that is 3 by 4 power 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 dx. Okay, then put 1 by x per 4 equal to t. Derivative of 1 is equal to 0. This is my derivative of 1 by x4 minus 4 by x power 5 ds is equal to dt. That is 1 by x power 5 ds is equal to minus 1 by 4 dt. So this term is what? Minus 1 by 4 dt. Okay, this term is minus 1 by 4 and this is dt by t to the power 3 by 4. So this is equal to minus 1 by 4 t to the power minus 3 by 4 plus 1 divided by minus 3 by 4 plus 1 plus c. This is equal to minus 1 by 4 t to the power 1 by 4 t to the power 4 plus 4 minus 3, that is 1 by 4 by 1 by 4 plus c. So this is equal to what? 1 by 4 cancel, that is equal to minus t to the power 4 1 by 4 plus c, t minus t to the power 1 by 4 plus c. Okay, here t is equal to what? Here t is equal to, that is what is t? That is equal to minus of 1 plus 1 by x4 to the power 1 by 4 plus c. This is answer. This is answer. These are the 30 questions, solution of 30 questions of the problems based on substitution method. Thank you. Have a nice day. In next video we will discuss some other form of the integration. Okay, but the today's important is main formula. This is main formula. Integration f dash x by fx ds is equal to log fx plus c. This is important. And f dash x by root over fx dx is equal to 2 root of x plus c. This formula is very important, okay, in the chapter integration. So